Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will tell you how you can upload the TCS slip on the HEC portal. It is very simple. You can use the mobile phone or you can also use the PC. It is totally depend on you, but the method is same. Just you have to open and log in. After that you have to just upload the slip like this. You have to scroll down and in the task manager you can see that upload courier information, courier number. You have to write the courier number, then you have to write the courier company and the courier date. Just you have to write the three things and upload the courier slip. Then definitely your slip will be successfully uploaded, and after that you will receive in the menu of the HEC portal of the right side that you have successfully uploaded the slips, and your courier is successfully dispatched, and each and everything will be written on it. Then you can check. I have wrote the each and everything. Now just I have to upload the slip in PDF format. As you can see that just you have to click on it, then you can easily upload. Just we have to wait it. Please subscribe the IT Expert Jazib channel if you don't have already subscribed. Please like the video and share the video. Just you have to upload the slip and it will be automatically verified. Just you have to click on the submit and you can check successfully your yes, you can see that here is all the details are available, and you can also check the status of applications. It is available here. Thanks for watching.